Kirafu gia Savannah FC kuma mwena wa Kitengela ni kimwe kia irafu iria cithakagira ligi ya Division 1 guku bururi-ini thengia ya gukorwo gikuritie athaki mega tuna wigiririku thiini wa ligi nene ya bururi KPL. Kirafu giki na kiria giathondekirwo mwaka wa 2013 gikoretwo gikiyukiriria na njira nene kwambiriria guthakira ligi ya county o nginyagia kwirugamia nginyagia Division 1. Muoroto munene uri gukuria taranda cia mbeu njithi na kumeherania na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurevia.
We formed this team as a way of giving back to the community, and the team has progressed very well. We've had apart from the first team players, we've also developed a youth team. We realized that a lot of players were coming, a lot of youth were very interested in coming and joining the team, and we realized there was a huge gap and a huge opportunity when it comes to the youth football within Kitengela and its environs.
Ni kimwe kia irafu iria cianaruta athaki megatu ta Brian Ochieng wa Talanta FC iria irigi ya NSL, Dominic Waithaka wa Muhoroni FC, Anthony Gatho wa Wazito FC oro ndumwe na gukuruhanio kwa athaki matiganite thini wa timu ya bururi ya imona citakiritie miaka 20. Thutha wa ukurikia mari na bainya murugamo-ini wa ligi ya Division 1 kimera kituku, athaki aya mari na mwihoko munene ati kimera giukite ni magakorwo magika wega makiria na niguo kuingira ligi ya NSL.
Team nataka tuko motivated sana kupandisha hii team NSL, na pia tuende NSL, tuonesha pia Savannah Cement iko, na in future pia tuende KPL.
So far we are targeting to promotion. That's the only thing that we are thinking of. We want to promote the team to the NSL, which is a higher step in the league. It's more competitive there than the Division 1 which we are playing right now.
Kuma metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV tukamendithiria uhotani kimera giukite. Ngiribotera Kameme TV haro-ini, nditagwo Mwihaki wa Ndogo.